In this example, we are asked to change the first word into the last word by changing one letter at a time and creating two new four-letter words in the middle. There will always be one letter that is the same for both words. In this case, both words share the letter L as their third letter. We can immediately put this L into both answers. We then need to look at the last word, gale, and see which one of the other letters can be substituted in. So we start with the first letter, which is G. If we were to bring that in, we would get guilt. Now this is a word. However, if we then try to do the next step, we can either take the second letter A or the last letter E from gale. If we were to take the A, we would get galt, and if we were to take the E, we would get guile. Neither galt nor guile are words, so we need to look again at the word before. To get from tilt to guilt, we had taken the G from gale. But what if we had instead inserted the fourth letter, the E from gale? If we had done this, we would have got a different four-letter word, tile. Now looking at the second word, tile, and the fourth word, gale, we can immediately see that they share the same third and fourth letter, so we can add the E in as well as the L. We could now try and take the G from gale, but we'll realise that would give us guile, which we know is not a word. Or we could take the A from gale, and this would give us tail. And there we have it. Our final answers are tile and tail. As you will have noticed in this example, it's really important to check that there aren't two different possibilities for the first step. If there are, you'll need to have a look at the next step to see which of the two options work. Normally you'll find these questions a little more straightforward, as there will only be one possible word to be created in the first step. So in summary, number 1, take care over the first word of the answer, as there may be more than one option. Number 2, insert any letters that you know must be in the answer as early as possible. And finally, test each combination by trying one letter at a time.